So if you're interested in changing your Wi-Fi name, then I'm going to show you how you can easily achieve this. But it's important to know your admin password to your router and you'll be able to do this. But how do you find that IP address so that you can log in? Let me show you how. Once you're on your PC, I'm currently using Windows 11. Right click on the Windows icon and go to settings. Now on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and choose network and internet, and you want to click on Wi-Fi. Then from here, click on the Wi-Fi properties, and you want to scroll all the way down until you're able to find those IP sections. So you want to look for the IP address, which is the IP for default gateway. So you want to copy that IP address directly. Now, the next thing is to do is to open up a browser, and inside that browser, you want to type in that IP address and hit enter. You will see that you're redirected to your router login, and from here, you need to sign in. Now, on the top of my head, I really don't remember this password right now. I need to go look for somewhere, but in general, you need to sign in here. In some cases, if you haven't made any changes to your password, that's going to be admin, a default password. Most of these routers, they come with admin as username password. In my case, I've changed this some time back and I need to dig up some documents to be able to find that. Right, but you want to go ahead and enter your password to log into the router. And then from there, you'll be able to see the Wi-Fi name and more details about your internet. And it's going to be easy from there to just simple change or edit or rename your Wi-Fi name, and that's going to allow you to change the Wi-Fi name. Once you go ahead and do that, save it, and your Wi-Fi name should be changed. But the hardest part to the whole process is to know the IP address that you should use to sign in, which I just show you here that you can easily find on Windows. You can also find it on the back of your router as well. And so that will also help you to log in. But this is how it's done. Very easy and very simple.